Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Today, we're diving into the world of Hebrew verb conjugation, focusing on the verb lishtot, which means to drink. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to confidently use this verb in the present, past, and future tenses. So, without further ado, let's begin. The Hebrew word for the verb to drink is lishtot. Lishtot. To say I drink or I'm drinking as a male, say אני שותה. אני שותה. To say I drink or I'm drinking as a female, say אני שותה. אני שותה. To say I drank as either a male or a female, say אני שתיתי. אני שתיתי. To say I will drink as either a male or a female, say אני אשתה. אני אשתה. To say you drink or you are drinking when referring to a singular male, say אתה שותה. אתה שותה. To say you drank when referring to a singular male, say אתה שתית. אתה שתית. To say you will drink when referring to a singular male, say אתה תשתה. אתה תשתה. To say you drink or you are drinking when referring to a singular female, say את שותה. את שותה. To say you drank when referring to a singular female, say את שתית. את שתית. To say you will drink when referring to a singular female, say את תשתי. את תשתי. To say he drinks or he is drinking, say הוא שותה. הוא שותה. To say he drank, say הוא שתה. הוא שתה. To say he will drink, say הוא ישתה. הוא ישתה. To say she drinks or she is drinking, say היא שותה. היא שותה. To say she drank, say היא שתתה. היא שתתה. To say she will drink, say היא תשתה. היא תשתה. To say we drink or we are drinking as males, say אנחנו שותים. אנחנו שותים. To say we drink or we are drinking as females, say אנחנו שותות. אנחנו שותות. To say we drank as either males or females, say אנחנו שתינו. אנחנו שתינו. To say we will drink as either males or females, say אנחנו נשתה. אנחנו נשתה. To say you drink or you are drinking when referring to plural males, say אתם שותים. אתם שותים. To say you drank when referring to plural males, say אתם שתיתם. אתם שתיתם. This is the correct form, but you should note that most Israelis will say אתם שתיתם. To say you will drink when referring to plural males, say אתם תשתו. אתם תשתו. To say you drink or you are drinking when referring to plural females, say אתן שותות. אתן שותות. To say you drank when referring to plural females, say אתן שתיתן. אתן שתיתן. Here as well, I'm teaching you the correct form, but you should know that most Israelis will say אתן שתיתן. To say you will drink when referring to plural females, say אתן תשתו. אתן תשתו. There is another form which is אתן תשתנה, but we don't really use it nowadays. To say they drink or they are drinking when referring to males, say הם שותים. הם שותים. To say they drank when referring to males, say הם שתו. הם שתו. To say they will drink when referring to males, say הם ישתו. הם ישתו. To say they drink or they are drinking when referring to females, say הן שותות. הן שותות. To say they drank when referring to females, say הן שתו. הן שתו. To say they will drink when referring to females, say הן ישתו. הן ישתו. Here as well, there is another form which is הן תשתנה, but we don't really use it nowadays. For your convenience, the next 2 slides will summarize all the verbs. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And share with me in the comments if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. For now, thank you for watching and להתראות. Goodbye.